The energy industry requires its systems to be robust and dependable, especially when those systems are located in remote areas. The components involved need to be manufactured with extreme durability, precision, repeatability, and quality. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. For over a century, Boker's Inc. has served the needs of the energy sector from the early stages of oil and gas to today's sustainable solutions. As new forms of energy generation and storage evolve, Boker's is able to deliver high-quality, custom solutions for the most complex requirements. OEMs and MROs alike rely on Boker's to manufacture proprietary parts, custom components and specialised requirements, all made to required tolerances and the highest quality. Boker's has unique fabrication experience in a broad range of applications and can provide valuable insight to help reduce costs. Their selection, immediate access and experience with over 2,000 commonly used and hard to find material choices is unmatched. As innovation unfolds to meet the growing needs of powering the planet, you can trust Boker's to manufacture your component parts to your specification, which will allow you to ensure the reliability, precision and performance of your energy systems. And to find out more about Boker's range and experience, visit bokers.com. And thanks for watching.